a couple of things are happening. We're on the verge of a vaccine announcement from one of any of these, Moderna, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Johnson, all these companies now are really right there. So that's coming. We now have the new therapeutics that the president said that will be mass-produced, the same treatment he got, and will be made widely available for free. That's a big point. This breaking single-family home building for the month of September just came out today, cementing the housing market's status as the star of the economic recovery thanks to record low interest rates and a migration to the suburbs and low-density areas as Americans seek more room for home offices and schooling. But anyway, the Commerce Department today reinforced expectations that the economy rebounded sharply in the third quarter after suffering the deepest contraction in the last 73 years in the second quarter. Anyway, single-family home building, the largest share of the housing market, jumped a whopping 8.5% to a rate of 1.108 million units last month. That's a lot. And housing reports following data show an acceleration in retail sales and growth estimates for July, September quarter as high as 35.2% at an annualized rate, which would recoup roughly 70% of the lost output because of the pandemic. I mean, this is massive numbers that you're not hearing about. But now you've got big tech companies, you got the media mob, the 99%, then you've got the Democratic establishment, the Rhino Republican establishment. Any and all of them have gone all in for all things Democratic Socialist and will even protect Joe Biden. If Joe Biden wants to hide for 5 out of 6 days in his basement bunker with just 14 days to go until a presidential election. Something is not right here. No presidential candidate hides in his basement for a week with 14 days to go. It just doesn't happen. There's something wrong with him hiding. I don't know what it is, and I'm not going to venture a theory or hypothesis. It just doesn't happen. 800-941-SEAN if you want to be a part of the program. Money is freedom. I say it all the time. Now, all of us have a cell phone. We have cell service. Many of you use the big carriers, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile. If you make the switch to Pure Talk USA, you're going to get the exact same coverage because they use the exact same towers as the big carriers. Keep your phone, keep your cell phone, and about half the phone, and the service is phenomenal. Why pay for unlimited data when you don't need it? Why pay for perks that you'll never use when you don't need it? Our friends at Pure Talk USA, they have